Alright, so here it is, the falls area. I really do think this is just the most beautiful place in all of Oklahoma. It's not too, like if you're in Dallas, it's not too far of a drive, I guess. It's a few hour drive, probably a solid 2 hour drive from Dallas, but it's well worth it. Usually there's a bit more water than this. It's been pretty dry for the last couple months, so the water level's not roaring. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And you've got this little river area here that just winds its way down. There's camping here. I think the camping is up there. Oh, check it out. There's like a cave up there. I never knew that. I'm not sure how you get to that. But anyway, as you can see, very, very nice. I didn't know you could fish here. I didn't think that was a thing. I thought this was a no fishing spot, but what do I know? Like 8 or 9 years ago, I hiked up here, up to the top of the falls, but it's definitely a very steep incline. Wasn't really worth it. Anyway, that's Turner Falls. Hope you can make it out here one day. It's definitely worth the trip. Like I said, if you're in North Texas, I would say, you know, it's definitely worth making a detour.